In our problem we have 84 times 84 divided by 84 divided by 84. And because according to the order of operations, we have to work from left to right. So first we have to do this multiplication, then this division, and finally this division. If you do this division before this multiplication, it's wrong, okay? Now let's start our solution. So first we do this multiplication. We have 84 times 84, which equals 7,056. Rewrite our problem and we get 7,056 divided by 84 divided by 84. So we have to work from left to right. 7,056 divided by 84, which equals 84 divided by 84, which equals 1. And this was our final answer for this problem.